So a day in the life of a design specialist, what I do is I'm meeting homeowners at their home, do a thorough inspection after figuring out, what their issue is, and then being able to communicate what I'm finding as a professional. This is what I do day in, day out, and coming up with a sensible option for repair.
Here at DBS in the accounting department, every day is different. From talking to customers, processing invoices, and payroll, we work as a team to help keep DBS running.
We're looking for people who want to grow, learn, and make an impact. At DBS, hard work definitely pays off.